the Miata is back. So, what are we gonna do today? We're gonna give this a good interior clean. Miata is in dire need of it, so let's get to work. So I was using just the plain vacuum with no attachment to get all the kind of the big stuff out. And then when we were getting to finer stuff, I pulled out this little brush. The brush is good because on the carpet, it'll allow you to grab and it'll lift up any smaller debris or something like that. And then you can even take it out to get all the fine stuff out at the end. But the brush will help pick up any hair. As we can see, this thing is absolutely covered in hair already. And it'll help kind of pull out any other garbage or stuff from the carpets. Automotive archaeology, we're finding a bunch of tissues. I found my cup holders, which I'm quite happy on. Where are they? Right here. There was cup holders in the back. They're broken, but I have cup holders now. Look at that. Look at those cup holders. I'm happy about my cup holders. Sweet. So let's clean it with this interior vibe first. PartsAvatars available. It's only $9.90 on our website. And then we'll start cleaning the top with it first, and then we'll use some Leather Love to condition it. Even though we can use Leather Love as it's a conditioner and cleaner in one, we're gonna hit it with interior vibe first because we want to properly clean it. Like, look at this. This is not that clean. Not that clean at all. So let's start with spraying it down, and then wiping it off. And frick, 2 sprays, and look how good this stuff looks already. Clearly does magic, because this rag is no longer yellow. So much better. Now that we've cleaned it, we can put some good old Leather Love all over it. Give that lovin'. We can see that it's not only cleaning, but protecting at the same time, giving it a beautiful shine. So far we've done half the top cover with Leather Love, and we can see that it's already brought back the color. It looks really, really good compared to the other side that's just been cleaned with Interior Vibe. Interior Vibe did a great job. It would definitely protect it because it does have some ceramic elements in it, but we're gonna give it the Leather Love and then fully protect it, bring back its shine, and it's gonna look really good. It already looks really good. Like compared to before, when we look at the footage from before and after, it's a big difference. Now let's move on to the other side. But like, look at that comparison right there. Wow, that actually looks really, really good. So we've done a major improvement, I think, just with even the cover right here. So I can't wait to see how these products work on the rest of the interior in the Miata. While we wait for this to dry off from the interior vibe, before we apply the leather love, let's go clean the other door. Oh, look how happy she's getting. Now that the interior vibe has dried, we can go ahead and apply some of this leather love on these vinyl door cards, because this is leather and vinyl cleaner. It does say vinyl, so it'll help protect it. So we're going to take off the top cover now and clean up underneath. It is a mess under there just because the soft top is completely ruined, but we got to get it clean before we take everything apart. Otherwise we'll have dust and disgusting particles going all up in our face, which is the last thing we want when working on a car. So a lot of people are actually missing that top cover, the one that I have, and a lot of people don't know they exist, and they look really good, especially when you put the top down and it has that leather finish just compared to just your top sitting there. So I know a lot of people like these NA Miatas with the hard tops instead of the soft top, but I can't afford a hard top right now, so it has to be the soft top for now. I found pieces of my car inside my car. So all the black little plastic pieces that hold my carpet in were in the center kind of armrest. So time to put them back and hopefully revive my interior. Who knows? This is so disgusting. I'm probably just gonna go wash that in the sink. So we can use some interior vibe to clean off these nasty interior panels. Look at that soapiness. Look, it's taking it all off right away. Okay, so we want to grab your favorite carpet cleaner or fabric cleaner, spray down the mats. You have a dry cleaner, it works better because then you have less water that you need to utilize. Now that the dry cleaner has set inside the carpets, let's brush it out and then vacuum it up and then see if we need to put any water or any more scrubbing down to clean these mats up properly. Up next, I'm going to grab some all-purpose cleaner. You can buy this from any brand. Currently, PartsAvatars does not have it, but soon we will. And then just spray down the carpets. This will help alleviate any of the dirt, help pull out a lot of the dirt and debris that's in these carpets, and then we can vacuum them up, pull it all out, and then they'll be as clean as they can be. If your carpets are really, really soiled, you can grab the Bissell that we also have, and we can utilize that on these carpets as well. But we'll be utilizing the Bissell on the seats first. Up next, we're going to utilize this Bissell to clean these seats. These seats are a little bit stained and just old, and they have water spots and other things. So hopefully this Bissell with the stain remover will allow us to clean out all the stains and make these seats look brand new. If you ever wonder where your girlfriend's like chai latte is, it's probably somewhere in these seats.
New Starbucks flavor.
So we have our videographer Tony here, and he's gonna be doing a taste test of these Miata seats. How much of a tip should I give him? I think 50 cents sounds fair.
Great. I will take it. 75 cents actually.
All right, done deal. Now let's spin the camera around and Tony's gonna take a sip. So what the extractor is doing, it's actually pulling out all of that dirty fluid that we're leaving in the seats. So first I've wet the seats down, the stain remover is working, and then the extractor is actually pulling all those stains out with the fluid and the liquid, and that's where we get this kind of chocolate milky looking thing. There's obviously going to be some water or some stains left in the seats, that's why you do this multiple times. I wonder if this one has the speakers in here. Oh, it does. This is actually not even that wet. Oh. It doesn't have the speakers in here. Someone already took them out.
Surprise.
Surprise, shawty.
Video, huh?
Well, I don't know if I'll put speakers back in the seats because I might put bucket seats in here or something, but we'll see. I know I have to replace the speakers, and in the springtime there is going to be an audio install on this car. So up next we're going to use the good old Bissell extractor to clean these mats to make them 100%. So then they're nice and clean and they can stay clean in the car. Alright, now we have the Miata all detailed up, at least in acceptable condition. Obviously, some of the harder to reach areas have not been cleaned and under the seats and so forth, but since I do plan to remove these seats or potentially replace these seats with something new, we'll leave it there for now. So we'll get back to it in the spring. Up next, we've got to get that top replaced. So we'll get the new top on now that the interior is all clean and the windows are all fixed. With that, we also see the video coming out of all the key things to do with a car that's either a barn find or that has been sitting for a long time. So stay tuned for that video as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the outro. Remember, PartsAvatar has got your back, so don't forget to subscribe to the PartsAvatar channel so you don't miss any of these exciting videos.